So here is the power button. Press this button to power the remote control. Then this button you can start or stop the robot. Press the cleaning mode to change the cleaning patterns. C1 has 5 patterns. Press this button to change it. Here is the cleaning time setting. Press this time. You can set a single cleaning time for 30 minutes, 60 minutes, 100 minutes. Okay, then we will introduce the time setting and the schedule test setting. This is the time button. Press the time button to change the current time, current minute, and the current week. Like on Monday. Okay. Then we set the schedule. And you can change if you like it clean on Monday and Sunday, like this one, and Tuesday. It's up to 7 times per week. Then we confirm it will work. And this button is to, if you don't want the anti-collision function, you can press this button to turn off it, and press this button to command the robot to go dock station.